Today I am going to discuss with you accounting and budgeting. Okay, accounting and budgeting. Okay, what is accounting? Accounting is recording your expenditure or your credits, what are all the amounts you are getting from morning to evening in your personal life. Okay, that is accounting. And what is budgeting? It is done before you spend. So for a monthly, for a family of 2 plus 2 family members, what are all the daily needs they want to get? They have to write it on a paper and they have to distribute the amount needed for that, and doing this is budgeting. So after doing budgeting, you go on practicing it for a month, daily writing in a book what are all the things you have spent and the amount you spent, and at the month end you have to check whether they are tallying with the budget you have allotted. Budget amount and the accounting amount should be the same. When you attain such thing, you will be successful in doing proper planning to save and invest for getting financial freedom. Okay. Successful in doing proper planning to save and invest for getting financial freedom. Okay, so this is accounting and budgeting. Now I am going to discuss about credit cards. Credit cards. We are all fascinated with this word credit card. Everyone is interested in getting a credit card because the banks are go on imposing on our minds with their ads to get a credit card to buy some goods, things which are come under criteria such as comforts, luxuries, without any paying money. With this credit card, you can pay the amount and you can get the comfort and luxuries. This will be their message. But my sincere suggestion is not to take any credit card, because no one will give money freely to no one. They are giving you a credit card which will be charged around 500 to 1000 based on the type of card they are giving. First they will cut that amount, okay, and you are using that credit card. So when you go for a shopping, if you are paying with money, cash, you will take only the things which are needed for you. But when you are using a credit card, as there is no need to pay in urgency, so you will buy all the things which are not urgent also, only to satisfy your self ego or family ego, which will reflect your financial status in future. If you are buying something in advance without paying the amount using a credit card, it will eat away your future savings, because the person who is going to pay that amount is you itself. From where it will come? You have to remove the amount from your net income and you have to pay. Otherwise, they will charge you an interest rate of 36 to 48% per day. So it is not to use, it is not suggested to use credit cards. I have removed my own credit cards. Then only I am telling. I will tell only the things which I do. Okay, you also follow this rule, it will help you a lot. Next, debit cards. Nowadays, the banks are, they are very thought future thinking persons, because they understand the market. They understand the market just like me. Many of them are removing their credit cards. So they plan how to do or what to do make you impulsive buying. So they have given a facility for the debit card itself. You can get overdraft amount. Even though you have debit card is for the amount which is in your bank, this debit card will also act as a credit card and you can buy the things. This will make you impulsive buying, which will also eat away your financial savings of your future. So I am not saying not to use debit cards. You just use the debit card for only transactions, for removing money from the ATMs, and you go for shopping and pay money in cash. This will make you feel sensible, and 2 to 3 months you will do impulsive buying. But when you are paying physical cash to a counter, your mind will subconsciously register this, and from the next time whenever you feel of impulsive buying, it will say, अरे यार तू क्यों खरीद रहा है, तू फूकट में खरीद रहा है उसको बचाने के लिए, मेरा दिन क्यों खराब कर रहा है, तुम्हारा फैमिली को क्यों रोड पे ला रहा है, बोल के वो हमें सजेशन देता है. दिस विल हेल्प यू. Really it works, dear. So use only cash for paying outside any bills. Okay, thank you. This is all for this class. We will come with a new topic in the next class. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.